Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The Kentire Holdings Jamaica subsidiary, Parallel Real Estate Ventures, announced both resignations and new leadership. Randy Mathis and Cerise Bell have both resigned as co-CEOs effective immediately. However, Mathis will remain as a key shareholder in Parallel and will serve on various board committees in the company. In the meantime, the leadership reins of Parallel Real Estate have been transitioned to a new executive team. To this end, American citizen and former Tesla team member Edwin Zhao has been appointed as president and CEO of Parallel Real Estate. He is joined by Dane Fairweather, also an American with Jamaican descent and also of Tesla, who takes the lead as Chief Operations Officer. Barita Investments announced the new head of its real estate division as the demolition work on its new Kingston property has been completed. Bought for 470 million Jamaican dollars, the former Eden Gardens Hotel on Lady Musgrave Road in New Kingston will become a flagship property in the Barita real estate portfolio, and the company announced Bernard Stocker as CEO of Barita Real Estate Development Limited. An architect by training, Stocker's 20-year experience in construction and finance will allow him to deliver on the mandate to bring world-class hospitality and mixed-use projects. Stocker explained, "We have an enormous amount of land to which Barita can bring large-scale development. Barita has in total 7 properties across 2,000 acres of land, with 3 properties in Kingston. In the capital city, we have holdings on Lady Musgrave Road, Harbour Street, and Ferry Pen. On the north coast, we have Windsor Estate, Reggae Beach, Green Castle, and Ruins at the Falls." For the trading period of May 29, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Wigton Energy Limited with 68,572,279 units, representing 55.43% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 19,461,201 units, representing 15.73% of market sales activities. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 5,266,897 units, representing 4.26% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in energy, distribution, and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for May 29, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.42 and buying at $158.44. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $5.02 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $117.19 and was bought for $112.17. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $6.72 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $214.58 and was bought for $207.86. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, too many small business owners wait until cash flow tightens before speaking to lenders. That is often the most expensive time to seek financing. The businesses that scale successfully do something different. They build financial relationships before they urgently need money. Over the next 90 days, small business owners can create a personal credit roadshow that positions their business for growth, resilience, and access to multiple funding channels. A financial ecosystem is not about depending on a single bank or lender. It is about building a network of financial partners who understand your business and can support different stages of growth. A commercial bank may finance equipment or working capital. A credit union may offer more flexible terms. Microfinance institutions may support early-stage lending. Development agencies may provide grants or concessionary funding. Private investors and venture partners may provide equity. Supplier credit and trade financing may improve working capital. When entrepreneurs understand these different funding sources and cultivate relationships across them, they reduce financial vulnerability and increase options. For our funded and focused features, entrepreneurs need more than sales. They need a funding ecosystem. For many entrepreneurs, the focus is understandably on sales. Revenue keeps the business alive, but sustainable growth requires more than consistent cash flow. It requires access to capital. The reality is that businesses rarely scale on sales alone. Expansion into new markets, technology upgrades, equipment purchases, staffing, inventory, and acquisitions often require funding beyond operating income. So rather than waiting for a bank loan or a single investor, entrepreneurs should think about building their own funding ecosystem, a network of financial relationships, assets, and opportunities that continuously creates access to capital. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay focused, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.